What is up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video here. In today's video I have a special unboxing and install of a product that a company sent out to me. Now the name of this company is Coverado Auto. I'm going to put the name here and I'm also put their Instagram at the bottom here and in the description box down below. If you guys want to purchase any of their product, check out their products. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. If you guys want to get a product on there and get a discount, use my code. I'm going to put down either here or in the description box below. Anyway, the story behind this is that this company reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in doing some type of collaboration with them and receiving their seat cover, installing and doing a video, just giving my honest opinion about their product. And so, they hit me up. We had a quick conversation, on Instagram, exchange all that stuff, and they sent me out the product within days, like within a few days, maybe 2 to 3 days. The product was here. I just picked it up from the post office. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what's in it, and we're going to do a little install. Well, not a little install, but we're going to do it. We're going to do an installation of the seat cover, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest and true opinion about it. So without any further talking, let's get right into this video. All right, guys, so here's the box. It came with as a box within the box anyway, but this is the name of the company that sent the seat out for me to review and give my honest opinion about it. I decided to go with this brown leather type of seat cover, because, why not? It's a blue car. I think brown seats is going to match other than black or red. So this was one of the few options I had. So I'm going to open it up. Sorry, I'm actually doing this unboxing inside of my car. I decided to just do it right now instead of doing it later. So, I'm already impressed with the looks and the quality already, like the way it feels. I'm already impressed, man. I just hope it fits my seats, my car. That's the only gripe right here. But this is the installation guide right here, a little booklet. I'm glad this came with one, because some of these companies, when they send out products to you to review, they don't send it out with any manuals. But okay, this is pretty dope. We're gonna go through this. I'm gonna put this to the side right now, and we're just gonna take out this section. I believe this is the bottom section of the seat, and I believe this is the back. For the back seats, but I just hope this fits, because all right, anyway, this is going to require a lot of figuring out. Well, not a lot, but it's going to require some figuring out. So I'm going to put things together and just try out the driver's seat first, and then figure out the rest. All right, guys, so I got the top portion of the seat cover installed. I'm going to do the headrest and then do the bottom portion last. And here we have the two front headrest cover. I'll take them apart and I'll do an installation. Okay, this is what they look like. So we're gonna install them right now. All right, there you have it. We got the headrest done. Now we got to do the bottom portion of the seats. So in the middle of the installation, it started to rain. So these are the instructions, and these are the hooks and thingy that goes to the back of the seats and the front, just to hold everything in place. So we're gonna take a look at this one at a time, and then okay, now we got these. They go behind. 3 of them go behind the seat. This is the front seat installation. All right, and these are for the rear, but for the front, let's see. Okay. Okay. Next page. Okay. We're going to take this one page at a time. So let's go back to this page. This is where we're going to start. Okay, now when installing the bottom portion, you take this. There's a little flap here from the top section here. You take that and you pass it through like that. And I'm trying to do this with one hand and then record. So now it sits in like that. There's 3 of them. So do one. We do the second one. And we do the third one. So after we insert those, we put on those hinges, we pass them through to the bottom of the seat, out towards the back. Let's get to the back and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, this is the back of the seat here. And as you can see, we pass those hinges through to the back. And then, I don't know if you guys can see thoroughly. And then we jump into the next step. All right, guys, so the next step is the bottom strap. It comes with these clips. You take apart the clips, insert the seat. You're gonna take this part, pass it through to the back, just like we did with those hinges. And we take this portion and wrap it around on this side and pass it through the back. That's it. Once you grab those 2, you lash them on like this, and they clip in to the back here and hold the cover in place for the car, for the seats. Now you got to repeat that process on both sides. All right, y'all, so we're going to jump to the installation of the rear seats, and there are a few things I got to button up in the front seats, but for the sake of time, I'm going to jump to the rear and start installing. So when installing the back seats, we're going to repeat the same process that we did in the front. We take these and we wrap them. You disconnect these, they're connected together, take them apart, and then wrap them up like this. And then you stick them so it is 24 hours later. Yesterday I ran out of daylight filming because I was doing the filming right after work, and I get at work around like 6:30. So I ended up just doing the rear, just, you know, doing it real quick and just going home because it was getting late at that point. I was exhausted. So everything is installed right now. And as you guys can see, I was just sitting in here, so I have a little bit of, but from what I'm looking at, these are great. I mean, they're not bad at all. They look great. I like the design with the orange type of leather that they got going on here. Looks like some type of Sakura orange. I don't even know what that type of leather is called, but I think it matches the blue exterior. It matches the blue exterior very well. So I'm just gonna show you guys around, and then I'm gonna just give my opinion about it, my honest opinion. This is a sponsored video. Again, I'm gonna repeat, this is a sponsored video. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this company, Coverado, hit me up, and you know, they asked if I wanted to do some type of collaboration, or you know, with them, that they sent me out one of their seats cover to do a honest review on it. Now, as you guys can see, again, it's not perfect. It's universal. It's not really, I would say, meant like for this car. It's just is universal. It could fit just about any other, maybe BMW or regular cars or whatnot. So it fits pretty well. I have no complaints. As you guys can see, I'll do a little B-roll at the end of the video or in the middle to show you guys. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. You know, there are some section that they didn't make for this. Like I say, it wasn't specifically made for these seats, but it come close enough. Like these side bolsters in the rear, it doesn't come all the way out here. Same thing on the other side. And also for the cover for the center console, it doesn't have any cover for that. But again, it is universal. It's not specifically to the T meant for this car, but it fits pretty well. It fits from what it looks like, from what my vantage point, and you know, it fits pretty well. I like the look, man. It just makes the car look. It add a little bit of a luxurious type of look to the car, I would say. Even though it is kind of a, you know, regular sports sedan, but it does add a little more to the car. Now, I'm just going to show you some of the areas that doesn't fit too well, like with the BMW 335 M Sport, having the M Sport seat, you have a manual thigh adjuster here, and this doesn't really fit there. So if you put this on, you won't be able to extend your thigh. That's one thing to look at if you're going to get one of these. Okay, just sit in the back here. I got the seat rolled back, but again, these are very comfortable. You know, there's no discomfort. They're very comfortable to sit. I don't know if it's real leather, but it does feel like real leather. So we'll see how it age over time, but it does feel pretty good. You know, it feels premium, I would say. It feels pretty good. No complaints here. Like I was saying, this is my honest opinion about this. Not because the company just, you know, sent me a product for me to review, but you know, if it was trash, I would tell you guys that it's trash. If it was bad, I would say, hey, this is bad, it doesn't fit well or whatnot. But it fits pretty well. I mean, look at this, man. It just looks so freaking awesome. Like, if the 335 were to come like this, man, this thing would sell. It would have sold like hotcakes. But you know, regardless, this is, I believe this is BMW best-selling sedans, or sports, one of their best-selling cars. So, but again, just giving you guys a different angle of these seats, the seat cover. See, like I said, I could have made some things, you know, tucked in some stuff more, but it fits just fine. You know, it looks good. You know, now I just need to fix some exterior things on this car to make the car look even better. But hey, I love it. I love it. So that is my honest opinion, my honest review, because I've been driving in this at, well, an entire day, or almost 24 hours. So I have nothing negative but positive to say about it. So if you guys are interested in this seat cover, I will have a discount code in the description box below. If you need to get one for your car, your BMW, Toyota, Lexus, Mercedes, whatever you have, if you need to get one of these for your car, I will have a link down in the description. Use my link to get a discount code, to get a discount on one of these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was purposeful and meaningful. And I hope you guys go and, you know, get one of these for your car, your BMW, again, whatever you drive. You know, take a look at it, try it out, see if you like it. As for me, I freaking love it. I love it.